In 1998, a Harvard professor published a study on thousands of households. She found that the people who were best with money were not the ones who earned the most. They were the ones who followed one simple rule: 50%, 30%, 20%. Three numbers that changed how millions of people manage their money. But most people have never heard of it. Let us decode it. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most people do not have a budget, not because they are lazy, not because they do not care, because every budgeting method they have tried feels like a straitjacket. Track every dollar, cut everything you enjoy, live on rice and beans for 30 years. That is not a budget, that is a punishment. And it is why 70% of people abandon their budget within the first month. Welcome to Wealth Decoded, where we break down the world of money so anyone, anywhere can build real wealth. Today, we decode the 50-30-20 rule. So what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It was popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren, who was a Harvard bankruptcy professor before politics. The idea is simple. You divide your after-tax income into three categories. 50% goes to needs: rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, transportation, the things you absolutely must pay to live. 30% goes to wants: dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, travel, the things that make life worth living. And 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Emergency fund, retirement, extra debt payments, your future. But wait, if it is that simple, why is anyone broke? Because the rule has a trap, and if you fall into it, the 50-30-20 rule will not save you. It will keep you stuck. The trap is this: most people misclassify their wants as needs. A $700 car payment is not a need when a $300 used car gets you to the same job. A $2,000 apartment is not a need when a $1,000 one keeps a roof over your head just fine. A $15 streaming subscription is not a need, it is a want. And when you cram your wants into your 50% bucket, your needs look fine on paper, but your savings bucket stays empty. Let us decode it with real numbers. Imagine you take home $3,000 a month after taxes. 50% is $1,500 for needs: rent, groceries, insurance, transportation. 30% is $900 for wants: dinners out, hobbies, whatever makes you happy. 20% is $600 for your future: emergency fund, retirement, extra debt payments. $600 a month into savings is $7,200 a year. In 5 years, that is $36,000. Not from a raise, not from a side hustle, from one simple rule. You do not need to track every dollar. You do not need to give up everything you enjoy. You just need three buckets: 50, 30, 20, and the honesty to put each dollar in the right one. Let time do the work. If this video helped you, subscribe to Wealth Decoded. Every week, we decode one financial concept that could change how you build your future. Next week, why your emergency fund is probably too small and what that could cost you. See you then.